Alright, so here's the unit at the house I'm going to be staying at for a couple days. It's a Daikin. It has a Copeland scroll under a compressor blanket. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a little rattly. Broad Ocean fan motor. That is working great. 2014 4-ton, 16 seer. And yeah, it's rattling. I think it's the panel. It is. Yeah, it's nice and quiet. I can tell it has the older fan blades. Anyway. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Over.